First up, we will talk about fluoride-ion batteries, a new type of battery technology that has recently been gaining attention in the world of energy storage. These batteries have the potential to offer many advantages over existing lithium-ion batteries, which are currently the most commonly used type of rechargeable battery. So let's take a closer look at what makes fluoride-ion batteries so promising. The electrodes in a fluoride-ion battery are made of materials that can accommodate fluoride ions, such as copper or silver. When the battery is charged, fluoride ions are removed from the cathode and travel through the electrolyte to the anode. During discharge, the fluoride ions move back to the cathode, releasing energy that can be used to power electronic devices. Advantages of fluoride-ion batteries is that they have the potential to offer much higher energy density than lithium-ion batteries. This means that they can store more energy in the same amount of space, which is a critical factor for many applications, such as electric vehicles. Additionally, fluoride-ion batteries are expected to be more stable and have a longer lifespan than lithium-ion batteries, which can degrade over time and eventually need to be replaced. Despite the many potential benefits of fluoride-ion batteries, there are still some significant challenges that need to be addressed before they can become a viable commercial option. One of the biggest challenges is developing suitable materials for the electrodes that can withstand the highly reactive nature of fluoride ions. Researchers are also working on improving the electrolytes used in fluoride-ion batteries to ensure they are stable and can efficiently transport fluoride ions. These batteries are a promising new technology that could offer many advantages over existing lithium-ion batteries. Research in this area is progressing rapidly, and we can expect to see more progress in the coming years. With their potential for higher energy density and longer lifespan, fluoride-ion batteries could play an important role in the transition to a more sustainable energy future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.